What happens when you put the technical together with the creative? Pure metal magic. Today in FORZA Laser, we are going to transform a stainless steel plate in useful household items. You may not have thought about it, but it is very common to have metal in your bathroom and dining room. And this is the machine that generates metal items for your home. Bathroom shelves must be really strong, but also elegant, and carry napkins for your dining room. Can't be the typical plastic boards that are damaged. Must be strong and beautiful. That's why they are made of metal. The first thing we always do is to go to our vector platform, vectors.forzalaser.com. We select the design that we are going to cut in. On this occasion, the napkin holder. We downloaded it. And then obviously, we are going to go to Forza Play. This is free for all our Forza customers. If you are not a Forza customer, you can also download the vector and then place it in your metal cutting platform. For us, it is Forza Play. Let's get to it. Just a reminder, we're using 18-gauge stainless steel, and we're also working with our Z20 compressor on our FORZA Ranger with 3,000 watts of power. We've just finished cutting the napkin holder, and let's check out the result. Yep, a premium finish. It came out perfect. Looks great on the stainless steel. Now it's time for the final step. We're carefully peeling off the protective film from the stainless steel and bending the piece. A beautiful and luxury napkin holder. Beautiful and luxury. Perfect for a very luxury kitchen. Everyone who loves metal. And if you also like the kitchen, I think you should have this article in your perfect kitchen. A perfect napkin holder cut with our FORZA Ranger 3000 watts.
And now, what's next, Freddy?
Now we're moving on to our bathroom shelf in the same material. Stainless steel with our Z20 compressor. Let's get to it. First, we cut the frame. We already have our bathroom shelf. Yep, it took some time to parameterize and dial in the cut. Obviously, always with the FORZA Laser technical support. So, here we have the figure cut into the sheet. And after some bending, it'll turn into a full bathroom shelf. And it looks like it's ready. Let's peel off the protective film, protective plastic. And our bathroom shelf would be ready. In a moment, we are going to place it precisely right here in the FORZA Laser plant in Guadalajara. And the napkin holder, let's take to the dining room for this afternoon's tacos. If you want to learn more about our metal cutting machines and see how we cut pipes super easily, watch this video.